Today's star of the shave is Gillette Black Tip Super Speed Razor. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Gillette Black Tip Super Speed Razor. I'm also using a Gillette brush, Gillette Pure Soap. It's a cream, I'm sorry. Yes, it's a cream. Gillette Cool Wave Splash. And a Gillette gel. As you can see, the theme is Gillette. And I'm not doing a lather bowl shave or a puck shave. I'm doing a face lather. I know, it's crazy, right? I'm learning how to be more adventurous in my adventures in wet shaving. Look, I'm going to put a little... I want to be generous with this. Because I want to build up a nice lather. So I figured, in life... you gotta be adventurous. You gotta go outside your norm. You gotta feel uncomfortable to get comfortable again. Do something new. Not new, but do something you hadn't done before. And as a wet shaver, this has helped me a lot in other aspects of my life. Ooh, it's gathering up pretty good. So what are things in life besides wet shaving that, you want to try, or, you're too scared to try, and you gave it a try and you loved it. It could be something of food you ate, or maybe try study a new skill to add on to your job or career. Or, maybe you're not a social person like I am and you go to meetup groups, or you put yourself out there. That's very important, putting yourself out there. Hey, it's a nice lather. And I'm not using a bougie spray. I know that's weird. Never used this razor. Oh, the blade I'm using is a Gillette Platinum. So basically this is an all Gillette shave, but with this as the star. Not bad. It's very mild. So yeah, I'm curious in the comments what things that you try to do new and try to expand yourself, try to broaden your horizons. It's very important. Oh. I think I picked a nice combo. Instead of my bougie sprayer, I'm going to throw a little water on my hand and lather that up. Ooh, it's a nice lather. And go on my second pass. So yeah, I believe as people, and even creatures do this, they expand, they evolve. I heard if you stay still, you don't grow. Stillness is good. There's a moment for stillness in your life. Don't get me wrong. You need to have stillness and maybe put things in perspective. But yeah, I figured I want to do a shave where I'm not bowl lathering, I'm not puck lathering. I'm basically face lathering and without a bougie sprayer. And if I need a little more water, I'll just dip in my little cup. I'm curious about what you do to expand yourself. Very important. This is not the best of the brushes, but hey, I feel like my technique compensates with this. It's a decent soap. So yeah, I want to hear in the comments. I want to read in the comments. What's your opinion? Oh man, it's really smooth shave. For me, personal preference, the blade combo and the razor may be different for you. Just let you know. So me, I always tell you what I'm doing good, but lately I hadn't been going out that much. I've been staying by myself, hadn't been going to my program. That's a whole other story. I hadn't been socializing in person that much. The weather's getting better, so that needs to change. Hadn't been going to the street fairs. I don't know, I think the street fairs already started slowly. But I have to do that. or go into in-person meetups, put a little water on the face. It's not bad of a shave. I hadn't shaved in 2 days, like I think a couple of days ago. Let's just say that. And it's doing a good job. I love these vintage razors, and this lineup is like bringing the past and the present together. You know how I am. I like to mix and dabble with things. You know me by now, people. You know, from stuff, videos like this and lives I do. I'm into the eccentric. I have to limit myself on the rabbit holes I fall down. I want to expand more rabbit holes, but I gotta be financially responsible. Like all of us, right? Yeah. This is a passion and a hobby, and we can't let it take over. Which is a good, in anything you do. Overabundant, excessiveness is not good. Moderation, but I don't think that's in the wet shaver's vocabulary. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. It's a not bad brush. It's not the best. It's not an artisan. This isn't no artisan shave. This is basically a shave of the past and the present. And also, it's a different shave that I usually do. And I wanted to share it with you. Because I love you. I love you all. Okay, let me just get this third pass done. And go over the lineup again. Oh man. I love the feedback. That's like music to my ears. Very good shave. So let me know in the comments about what you do to expand yourself as a person, to grow. You don't want to just stay the same and without any growth. It's very important to you to try new things, at least once, but things that won't hurt you. Because what I could try may not hurt me, but could hurt you. Or vice versa. It's like, okay, you want to try this new dessert, but you may be diabetic and you have to watch your sugar. Or you want to try this new burger, but you may have a cholesterol problem. Or you may have a beef allergy or a dairy allergy. So yeah. Know your limits, but push yourself to it. Not over the limits, but as close to it as possible for growth. Wow. That's a good shave. Ah. You know me, I always like my baby wipes. Ah. Oh, I took all of them by accident. Silly me! Shake it off! Oh. I'm gonna put some of this beautiful splash. There's no restrictors, so I have to be careful. But hey, I got enough gear. I could go a little crazy. Who you calling crazy? Not even a sting. This was a beautiful shave. So I used Gillette Cool Wave Splash, Gillette Gel, Gillette Pure Soap Cream, Gillette Shave Brush, and of course the star of the shave is the Gillette Black Tip Super Speed. Wow, if you have time at Saturday 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to Instagram, watch the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live, and for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com, and thank you for staying with this shave, and thank you for helping me explore more avenues in my wet shaving journey. Have a great life. Bye.